Pretty soon it's back to school, and I know that you may want to make your kids something to get them back out to school, a little snack. And today I'm going to show you how to make this very delicious and simple cake using few ingredients. So we'll begin with our eggs. So here I have 2 eggs. I'm going to crack them and remove what is said to be the eye of the egg, because it's said to cause the ring or the fresh in the eggs. I'm not sure about it, but we're going to try it today. I'm going to crack our eggs. 1, 2, and you can use separate bowls just in case one of the eggs aren't good. You won't spoil both of them. But there's this trick you can use where you place it in water, and if it sinks, it's good. If it's float, it's not good. So this is said to be the eye, so we're going to remove it. So I really hope that this thing bears some truth, because we would not be using lime today in this cake. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to mix it up just a bit, although that is not really necessary, because we're going to place it inside of here. Just like this. It's going to be beaten later on. And now I'm going to go in with my sugar. I'm going in with 1/2 cup of sugar and just a pinch of salt, just a pinch. Right. I'm going to use a hand mixer. If you don't have a mixer, you can actually use a whisk to do this. Okay, so we have mixed this, and this is what a mixture looks like. Now I use brown sugar, hence the color. You can use white sugar if you wish. Now I'm going to go in with 1/3 cups of oil. So no butter for this recipe, and we're going to use 1/2 cup of milk. Now I'm going to go in with a tiny bit of vanilla essence. Now we're going to combine all of these ingredients. Okay, so there we have. Now we're going to add in our flour and our baking powder. 3/4 cups of sifted flour. So we're going to place that in there, and we're going to sift it. Okay, so it's inside. Time for us to go in with our baking powder. 2 teaspoons. Now it's time for us to go back in and do some mixing, and we're going to start off low. We're going to mix it low. Low and slow. Okay, looks like we're finished. So here I have my bowl that I have already greased, and what we're going to do, we're going to transfer our mixture into this bowl, and we're going to pop it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes. So we have gotten it inside our pan, and this is what it looks like. Let's pop it into the oven now. So my cake is out of the oven. I left it to cool, so now it's time for us to check out what it looks like inside. Let's turn it over. Yeah, looks good. Let's go in and see what the texture is like. Now this may not be your traditional cake, so you can tweak it to your likeness, but I assure you it's easy and it's delicious. So I hope you enjoyed my video. God bless you. I love you. Bye.